That's how, huh? Gosh, that's exciting. One more.
Would you rather get a pedicure or a facial from Phil, the Thin Beast Dollhauser?
Pedicure.
Jake Gibb, you have turned it around, son. From Bountiful, Utah. You're the youngest of 11 siblings, man. Your parents used to just throw out the lunch meat, and you would have to compete. Game match, championship point for Rosenthal and Gibb. And there it is, Jake Gibb and Sean Rosenthal for the second year in a row. Your Atlanta champions, 15-10. Time for the #1 team in the entire world. 5 years in a row, they have walked away with the Croc Cup title. Stanford University, the two-time MVP with 90 open wins. Perry, whoa! Two-time NCAA Player of the Year and the three-time reigning MVP in the AVP with 93 victories. No, it's not Michael Jackson. It's Misty May Trainer. And hammers in. May with a high scoop. Transition, puts it away. Game match championship.